Luh Glock, Luh Glock, Luh Glock, Luh Glock.
Yo, what boy, this shit wet.
If you know I got a chopper, I'ma have to try it. We gon' hop out with a Glock and shoot a nigga like a hopper. We gon' pop him like a pop. We shoot his ass and make him drop. Drop up on the knob and then I pop him like a top. We gon' hop up on the block and kill the nigga like my op. We don't talk about those folks, cause the nigga really pop. We gon' pop him like some pops on just a Glock. We got the Glock in the pocket. You know we gotta drop. You know I try to hop. You know I dropped off, and then I pop a top. We hop up on the Glock and shoot a nigga like a hop. We gon' blow him like a cop, blow that nigga like some sock. We don't talk about them niggas, cause my niggas beat the cop. Hop up on the block and kill a nigga like my op. We gon' hop out with a drop, we gon' shoot him like some rock. We gon' pop him like a pop, and then that's how he just dropped. Drop up on the ground, and make that chopper head a sound. Hop up on the dog, that nigga died on the ground. Hit him in his face, and my niggas being all the case. I know what a Drake. If you know I got a chopper, I'ma have to try it. We gon' hop out with a Glock and shoot a nigga like a hopper. We gon' pop him like a pop. We shoot his ass and make him drop. Drop up on the knob and then I pop him like a top. We gon' hop up on the block and kill the nigga like my op. We don't talk about those folks, cause the nigga really pop. We gon' pop him like some pops on just a Glock. We got the Glock in the pocket. If a nigga try to play with a Glock, I'm shooting like Flock and I'm shooting like Faye. We shooting with the nigga's face, roll over the Glock and I'm shooting like Baby. How about the Glock with a motherfucking JJ? Hold on, I gotta cool down a minute. How about the Glock and I'm shooting with 50 bullets in his head? He moving his pivot. How about the Glock with a motherfucking stick? We hop on the gang, get hit like a blick. We choking the gang, get hit like a 50, little 50 Glock with 50 bitty. I got a Glock with a motherfucking titty. I got a money I got with these. Hop on the Glock with a motherfucking beef. Hop on the Glock with a motherfucking tree. Talk on the gang, get hit like a bee. Talk on the gang, get hit like a bee. You talk on the gang, get hit like a bee. If you know I got a chopper, I'ma have to try it. We gon' hop out with a Glock and shoot a nigga like a hopper. We gon' pop him like a pop. We shoot his ass and make him drop. Drop up on the knob and then I pop him like a top. We gon' hop up on the block and kill the nigga like my op. We don't talk about those folks, cause the nigga really pop. We gon' pop him like some pops on just a Glock. We got the Glock in the pocket. Good bean, pull up with a Glock on.